Prime the canvas with gesso, then tint it using a mix of black and raw umber. This neutral base helps control values later.
Sketch a loose spiral for the center and gentle oval shapes for petals. Keep lines light and flexible.
Mix crimson with ultramarine blue and a touch of black. Apply it to the deepest folds of the petals. Blend cadmium red with alizarin crimson. Use curved strokes that follow the petal direction.
Mix titanium white into red to create gentle highlights. Apply sparingly to raised petal areas. Switch to a smaller brush. Vary pressure to keep edges soft and natural.
Use a fine brush and slightly thicker paint. Follow a spiral motion for natural depth.
Add small highlight strokes and deepen select shadows. Step back often to check balance. Allow the painting to dry fully and sign your work. You've completed an acrylic rose from start to finish.